Alright guys, this video here is about how to self-install your Xfinity home phone service. So basically, on the back of this modem right here, it doesn't matter which one you have, they all got phone jacks on the back. You'll see a picture of a little phone, and right here's telephone 1, that's telephone 2. The only time you'll ever have telephone 2 active is if you have two separate phone numbers. So then in this video we're going to do telephone 1. So what we'll do is we'll plug this one into telephone 1. Like so, okay? And this other one should plug into your phone jack in your wall, whether it's up here or it's down here or it's a wall plate like this with this little phone jack in the front. It doesn't matter. All of them are the same. They just plug in just like this. Okay, so you're not going to be able to use this jack because it would only have one plug in if it was in the wall up here. So you won't be able to use that for your phone. You'll have to use another one in your house. So what this does is activates, if you do it correctly like I'm about to show you, it'll activate all your outlets, all your phone jacks. So we're fixing to go out to the NID outside. We're going to open it up and I'm going to show you how to do it out there. So we're outside now. This is our NID on the side of our house. So we're going to open this thing up. So inside here you've got two separate sides on this one. So somebody's had two phone numbers or whatever on this one before. You can rather do whichever one. In this case it would be this one because all my wires are right here. Over here this one doesn't have any wires hooked to it, so this one's not usable, so we're going to not use that one. So over here, once you've got that stuff in there connected onto the phone jack, on a normal basis this little thing right here will be plugged in to that, and that's how you know that you're getting that's how your phone signal will come in from outside from your phone provider. So by unplugging this, we'll tuck it in right there where it was at. What that does is that allows the phone inside the room in there where the Xfinity phone is hooked into, it allows it to backfeed, okay? And it's backfeeding into these different wires right here, which backfeed into your house and allow you to activate your jacks. So it's simple. All you do is come out here, you open this box up, you unplug this one right here, because if this is plugged up, then it bypasses ours and makes all your jacks work off of the main phone company out at the pole. So unplug this and it activates all these with our system, because all it does is just back feeds into it, and then it's a complete circuit. So we're going to close this back up. Alright, once you have all that done out there, it's best to come back inside here and unhook the wire that you have hooked from here into the phone jack. Unhook it out of here real quick and go ahead and hook your phone, your telephone that you're going to be using, plug it into telephone 1, pick it up and see if there's dial tone. If there's dial tone, you're good. So then everything outside has been done. So then we're going to plug this one right here back into telephone 1. Okay, and now you're free to walk to your house and check all your phone jacks and see if they work. If they don't work from this point, then you need to call an electrician. But if they do work, then you're good to go. And if they don't work, there's still one option. You can bring your phone in here where your modem is located, and you can just plug it straight into the back of the modem, and it will work until an electrician gets out to activate all the rest of your outlets. But this is how you do a self-install on landline phone with Xfinity. Remember, Xfinity's landline phone does not come in from the outside. It's back-fed from the modem straight into the phone system, which activates all the jacks, makes them all work off of the one phone jack in here. So any questions, please feel free to comment. Like my video, please, and subscribe if you would. That'd be much appreciated. And as always, watch all my ads and commercials. Thank you very much. Have a good day, guys.